Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shravya. Today I'll be showing you how to make these really amazing wet spring rolls at home. We're not using any store-bought spring roll sheets. We're making everything from scratch, and trust me, these turned out really crispy and not at all oily. Follow the recipe exactly the way I did to just get it amazingly restaurant style. With this, I'm going to be serving a really delicious sweet chili sauce. If you do not have enough time, you can totally skip the process of boiling the dried red chilies and all and just directly use some chili flakes. I'll be showing you later. That's it, so let's get started.
We're gonna need half a cup of all-purpose flour, salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, sugar, vegetables of your choice, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup. For the sauce, we're gonna need 5 medium red chilies, 5 garlic cloves, 4 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon vinegar and some salt. In a bowl, take your all-purpose flour, some oil, add some salt, just a pinch of sugar. Adding sugar gives your spring rolls that beautiful golden brown color. To this, add in some water. Now knead your dough together. We're going to knead it into a really soft dough. As you can see, the dough is really soft. Now we're going to set this aside for at least 45 minutes. Now in a pan, take some oil. To this, add in some ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is really optional, you can avoid it. To this, we're going to add our vegetables. Here I've taken 1 cup of cabbage, 1 cup of capsicum, 1 cup of red bell peppers and 1 cup of carrots. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Mix all of this together and let this cook for about a minute. To this, add in some soy sauce, some vinegar. Mix it together and let it cook for another minute. We're not going to overcook our vegetables, otherwise the filling might get soggy. We're going to cook our vegetables at a very high flame because we do not want any water in the vegetables. We're not adding salt just yet. To this, add in some tomato ketchup. Now when your vegetables are almost done, add in some salt. Mix it together and just keep it aside. We're not going to cook this any further. Till the vegetables cool down, we're going to make our sauce. In a saucepan, take some water, about 2 cups of water. Add about 5 medium-sized dried red chilies. Now we're going to boil this in the water for about 15 minutes. As you can see, the chilies look fuller now. If you do not have time to do all this, you can just use chili flakes. Flip the chilies over and let them boil on the other side as well. Boil them for 15 to 20 minutes. Now blend all of this together. Do not overblend. We need small chunks of chilies. To this, add in your sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar according to your liking. Let this boil for another minute. To this, add in some garlic. Make sure your garlic is finely chopped. To this, add some salt. Once the sauce starts boiling, to this we're going to add a slurry made out of corn flour and some water. Mix everything together. Taste the sauce at this point and adjust the seasoning according to your liking. Add some vinegar and mix it. Cook this for about 10 minutes or until your sauce has thickened according to your liking. As you can see, our sauce has become quite thick now. Now we're gonna set this aside. Our dough has been resting for an hour. Now we're gonna take a really small portion out of the dough. We're gonna take about a lemon-sized portion. And now on a work surface, we're going to roll our dough. We have to roll this into a very thin sheet. Because we have rested our dough for an hour, the dough has become slightly elastic, so it becomes easier to roll it thinner. The sheet should be very thin, otherwise your spring rolls won't be crispy. Keep adding excess flour. Roll it really well. You should be able to see your fingers through the sheet. It should be that thin. Now onto one corner of the sheet, add in some of the filling. Do not overfill it. Here I've made a paste out of all-purpose flour and some water. Apply it on all sides of your sheet. Now we're gonna fold this into a really tight roll. Now we're gonna fry our rolls in some hot oil until it turns golden brown. Your oil shouldn't be very hot. Make sure it's on medium heat. Otherwise your spring rolls might burn. Keep flipping this. Once you're satisfied with the color, take it onto a tissue paper and serve it with some sauce. That's it. For more interesting recipes like this, like, share and subscribe to my channel.